Alrighty everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today, like I said, actually something that I said that came true. So stuck to plan and went ahead and put in the plugs, switches, covers. This room is kind of the parts room, but see plugs, plug. Actually that one's a USB plug over there. Another plug over there, plug. So plug, this has got a heater over here. Got a thermostat right there, switch. So let me know if you guys want any videos on like how to put in a heater, a thermostat, anything like that. Maybe a USB outlet over there. They're a little bit different, but if there's anything you guys want to see, let me know. Also, if you guys want to see like the laundry room dryer outlet, you guys want to see that one, or also you guys want to see the range, a little bit different than the dryer. If you guys want to see the dryer, the range stove plug, let me know about that. The only thing we don't have is the plug-in for this unit right here. It's just a single device. Pretty sure that's going to be 240, I'm not sure. But anyways, other than that, this is just this is the room they got done today. So pretty basic stuff, but if you guys are interested in anything, let me know. Another USB over here in the kitchen. This is going to be a garbage disposal right here, which is going to be down there, which is wired wrong, so I didn't put that in yet. So I'll have to fix that later. Kind of just took this job site over from some other electricians, so a lot of this stuff, we came into this job, everything's already been wired, so we have to go through and fix all the problems if there are any down the road. For example, this right here is wired wrong for a switch right here for the garbage disposal, anything like that. So yeah, so good stuff. Also, there's other things like a microwave. I'm not sure how that's gonna turn into anything right there, but I basically is writing down a list of all the things that aren't done in the room, like the microwave, the P-tack over there, this weird switch over here. There's 3 blacks here, so either have to troubleshoot that later and figure out what these go to, or these are like 2 powers, tie them together and then pigtail it and then hook that up. Obviously we're not going to use this in neutral right here, so no idea what that's for. And then this plug-in over here is stripped out. Actually the box is hanging out of the wall on the left side, so I'm gonna have to cut that and then push it back in the wall, screw it back down. But these boxes are the brown boxes. We call them the fake and bake or whatever, but they're just absolute garbage. I don't know why they use them. So basically, if you screw into the box for too long, it automatically strips it out, and then you're kind of in trouble because they have to use like a sheetrock screw or something like that. But anyways, yeah, so if you tighten it too tight, then the screw doesn't hold and it just falls right out and the device is loose and doesn't stay tight to the wall, which is bad. So anyways, going a little bit slower than I would like, but trying to do this just right, you know? So anyways, that's that so far. I've got the bathroom in here. So let me know if you guys want any extra videos. I can bring my tripod to work or whatever. I just got the new tripod mount, and I did some live streaming like 3 or 4 hours maybe last night. So sorry if I blew you up and sent too many notifications to your phone. But yeah. So doing some Fortnite gaming last night. So thanks everyone to stop by and was hanging out and enjoyed watching. I got a few wins, a win or 2 on live stream, so that was fun. And that should do it, guys. So anyways, if you enjoyed watching, drop a like and let me know if you guys want to see any extra videos in the comments below. I would be happy to do it for you. If not, I might do it anyways. But anyways, that should do it. Subscribe for more videos. See you guys back here tomorrow. Probably be doing similar stuff unless I do some wire pulls or whatnot. But anyways, Check the description for anything else, and whatever else I say at the end of the video. Check the description, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams if that's something that interests you. Alright guys, God bless, have an awesome rest of the day. Peace out.